This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking Essentials, Retroarch version and the emulator core you use, because cores handle audio differently. Next, open Settings right arrow Audio and pick the correct audio device that matches your OS output so Retroarch routes sound properly. Then set Audio Latency Override. Lower values reduce lag but may crackle, so choose 60/256 ms to balance stability. Once done, save a new config, so you have a baseline to return to if you change cores or devices later. You now focus on the middle steps, driver and core-specific settings. If you hear pops, try changing the audio driver. WASAPI or Pulse Audio often reduce glitches compared to default drivers. Then match sample rate to what the game expects. Mismatched HZ causes pitch or speed issues. Also enable audio resampling and pick interpolation 2x or 4x to smooth samples without heavy CPU load. Make sure you test with the same core and title, while changing one parameter at a time to isolate effects. You finish by locking in stable settings and verifying playback. Turn on audio sync options to correct drift and keep audio aligned with video. This prevents gradual desyncs. If problems persist after careful changes, reboot Retroarch and the system, and try reset to default as a last resort, only after noting previous values. Finally, test several cores and games, and confirm OS mixer levels and exclusive mode are not muting Retroarch. If sound still fails, try a different audio card or update drivers as one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.